Hey guys, welcome to the new channel. Not sure how well this is going to go, but today we're going to be eating food, which I like to do. Popcorn shrimp is the first thing we're going to eat tonight, and maybe some other stuff, but popcorn shrimp is going to be excellent. It's still hot. I used this. Come on, brain work. Toaster oven on air frying settings to cook them with. So, ow. I probably shouldn't be touching hot metal with my hands. That's probably not a. But yeah, that's the popcorn shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer it over to this plate, and we'll go to the table to eat it. Okay, so here we have the popcorn shrimp on a plate here, and we have some cocktail sauce that is gonna taste really good. It's normal, it's not spicy cocktail sauce. I've had spicy before, and it was good. So it's not too much. There we go. Maybe a little more. There we go. That's plenty. And then we're gonna give it a taste. See how good this is. Very good. I did myself good. Two of them got stuck together. There we go. I did a good job with these. They taste a little bit bland, so maybe a spicy cocktail sauce would be better, but not bad. So, yeah, I'd say thumbs up for these. You're gonna have to develop a taste for shrimp. It's not necessarily a taste that you're gonna automatically like. But it's not bad. But anyway, I'm gonna finish my meal while you guys go get yours. Thank you for joining us for dinner, and I'll see you next time.